Welcome everybody, I'm Alexander Linz, head of content of WatchAdvisor.com. I have the pleasure to welcome you today from the headquarters of Jaquet Droz. We are in between Glashütte and Le Loc in the Swiss Jura Mountains. The pleasure now is on my side to introduce you to a watch that is really spectacular. It is a tropical garden, miniaturized, put on the wrist, and you will see a lot of little animations under there. So have fun and enjoy me bringing you into a tropical garden. So this is the tropical bird repeater, and it's a unique piece. The price for this unique piece I will tell you afterwards. This will be the one thing that where you will have to really sit carefully and yes, you have to sit. It's better if you will know the price later. But before I name you the price or I give you a price, I will talk about the watch. It's a minute repeater, first of all. And of course, the dial is, yes, it's a special watch that Jaquet Droz has done here because the watch in principle already exists. We have been filming the same bird repeater last year in a different setup. This year it's the setup of a tropical garden. But the speciality this time is that the case has been very much engraved. There are diamond settings on the horns here. There is a diamond setting on the dial to give you the time. We have some, let me read this out. The case is 36 Breguet diamonds, and on the dial we have 180 Breguet diamonds, a total of something like 1.8 carats here on the dial. This is why the watch is so expensive. But the fascinating thing, this is decoration, stones, gemstones are decoration, but the really interesting thing is what happens if I activate the minute repeater with that slider here on the case, on the back, on the case side. First of all, you will hear the time, so the watch will indicate you the time by chiming it. It will indicate you 12 o'clock, it will indicate you the first quarter, and then the minutes until we are at 12 and 20 approximately. But what happens is that the entire scenery you see now will move. We have different birds on the dial. We have a hummingbird here. This is a hummingbird, and the wings of the hummingbird will move or beat about 40 times per second. 40 times per second. So this is really amazing. You have to have a close look on the hummingbird. We have a toucan bird that is hidden behind the leaf here. The leaf will disappear and you will see a toucan. We have a peacock that will play around with its feathers. And we have also some dragonflies. There's one little dragonfly here that will move. And there is another dragonfly here that will move. And there's a waterfall that you will see the water also being activated. This happens when I activate the minute repeater. So there are two things. You will see the animated scenery, and you will hear now the watch chiming 12, almost 25 from my point of view, from where I'm looking at the watch. So have a close look. I will not talk now and let you just enjoy the scenery on the watch. Look at these wings. This is really amazing. There we go. Isn't this fascinating? So turn around the watch, Alexander. There we go. This is a movement also done in cooperation with Blancpain. Jaquet Droz develops these mechanisms in-house, but with the help of Blancpain and Breguet. They develop the movements, so it's Swatch Group, of course, and everybody helps everyone, and this is simply logical because it's a group, and there are specialists all around the places, so the best people come together to make such marvels be then reality on your wrist. You see the gongs here on the back side, they are the hammers, the big hammer and the small hammer, and I will activate, so the cameraman will zoom in, Jorge, and we will activate so you can see the gongs and the hammers. Now the gongs we won't see, but the hammers we will see. Watch. So the big hammer is giving you the hours, then to indicate the quarters, every 15 minutes both hammers are activated, and the small hammer then is chiming the remaining minutes, always counting from 15 or 30 or 45. So if you put all these together, the chimes of the minute hammer, the hour hammer, then when both hammers, they indicate you if they chime once, it's 15, if they chime twice, it's 30, if they chime 3 times, it's 45, and then by counting what the small hammer is chiming, you get the entire time that is indicated on the dial on this side. And once again, one last time, have a look at this wonderful tropical garden, and I'm so fascinated about these wings, 40 times per second. We should film in ultra slow motion to show you this more. Look at the bird. Oh. Movements here, the waterfall. Look, he's showing all his beauty. Then here's the toucan coming out. Oh, so beautiful. Wow, there we go. Last thing I have to name you is the price of the watch, and of course, also due to the really rich gem setting of the watch, we have 180 baguette diamonds only on the dial. The price of the watch is 885,600 Swiss francs, including the tax. So, and it's a unique piece, so it's really something really, really, really spectacular. Hand engravings all over the place. The movement is engraved. The case is hand engraved. You have all these various handcrafts that make this tropical garden possible. You have also gem settings on the case. Red gold version. Yes, back from that tropical adventure to, let's say, nice weather with some blue skies here in Switzerland, but really pretty cold. We are having one of the coldest May for a long time, and if I need to go out there again afterwards when I finish my presentations, people, I can tell you, I would prefer to jump right into the watch, into the tropical garden, and do some relaxing hours there. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for following us. If you like what we are doing, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course, and to like our videos. And if you very much like what we do, please recommend us to others so they can enjoy the same things that you have just seen. Bye, guys.